think it's time to change the lighting in this room. In the workshop, we've got here 2 ceiling roses and they've got 3 bulbs on them. I think they're all 50 watts apiece. And so when they come on, we get this kind of light, which is okay. But what we're going to do is upgrade this to LED lights. Now these LED lights have got 5,600 lumen each, and I've got 2 of them. So I'm going to put one up at one side and one on the other side, and we can see what difference things make. Now behind the camera, I've actually got a daylight bulb as a desk lamp. So if I switch that on, that'll give you the kind of the difference between the sort of the yellow light that you get from a traditional bulb and the much whiter light that you're going to get from a daylight bulb. So I'm looking more to get this kind of light. So I wanted you to see what things look like before, and then I will film it in exactly the same place afterwards once I've put the lights up. So it's the same time of day as it was yesterday. And actually in the video that we did yesterday, that light was on as well. So I'll put that light on. 5 times brighter, and it's less than half the cost. Impressive. This is what it's like at night. I could work just as safely and as easily during the day as I could at night. There's now no difference. It is daylight inside the workshop, and all this for just £80. So I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.